Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can draw lines in your presentations on Miro.com. So let us dive into this. All right guys, so navigate to your presentation or board and let me add a couple of lines to that frame here. Now let me just delete these here and start again from 0. So what you want to do is use either the draw by hand tool here, or you may use the shapes and lines feature. Let us go with option number 1. First, create freehand drawings. Select it or use the shortcut P. And after that, select, for example, a pen or a highlighter. I will go with a pen. And you can always customize it. For example, select the thickness here below or left click into the given option. And after that, customize the color as well as the thickness here. So let me go with a blue color and also adjust the thickness a bit. And after that, simply, it's like drawing by hand, guys. Simply left click. But if you'd like to draw a straight line, guys, make sure that you press and hold left shift on your keyboard, and that is going to stabilize your line. And let me also draw a horizontal one. There you go, press and hold left shift. For example, if I release left shift, guys, I will be able to draw a not so straight line, as you can see, so a pretty curved line. So that's option number 1. Option number 2, as previously mentioned, is to use these shapes and lines. So click into it and select one of these lines here, a simple line, or a one with an arrow, or that one here, this one. And of course you can customize all of these by simply drawing your line first. For example, left click into it, draw it, and after that you may always use the select tool here, click into your line, and for example change its direction and its stages or phases. I don't know how to call that in proper English. So you may customize the given line here, adjust or customize the alignment like none, or an arrow like this, an arrowhead. And you may also adjust the line type again, select a dotted line, for instance, like this, a line like this, add line jumps, change the color, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, there's so much you can do here in the customization on your whiteboard presentation, guys. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.